Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove photos from Google Photos. To do this, first we'll need to open a folder which is called Photos. Then you'll be able to select each photo like this, or you can select entire group of photos, for example ones that were taken on Wednesday, November 30, 2022. You have entire tab here. You can click on the switch next to it to select all of the photos taken that day. And now to remove them, there should be a panel in the top right corner of the screen. Click on delete and this should remove the photos and move them to the trash. But the photos are still not deleted. We need to navigate to the trash, then select each of the photo and delete it permanently. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.